Initial consultation and estimate. The first step in the insurance claim process is to bring your vehicle to All-Star Auto Body for an initial consultation. Our experienced team will assess the damage and provide an estimate for the repairs. Filing the claim. Once you have your estimate, it's time to file your insurance claim with your provider. Our team can work directly with your insurance company to help streamline the process. Approval and start of repairs. Once the insurance claim has been approved, we will begin the repair process. Our highly skilled technicians will work efficiently to get your vehicle back to its pre-accident condition. Communication and updates. Throughout the repair process, we will keep you informed and updated on the progress of your vehicle. Our team will also communicate with your insurance provider to ensure a smooth and timely resolution. Final inspection and delivery. After all repairs are completed, we will perform a final inspection to ensure the highest quality of work. Once everything is approved, we will deliver your vehicle to you and handle any final paperwork with your insurance company. Your satisfaction is our top priority.